Let's be honest about that monthly dread when the paycheck arrives and disappears before the first week ends. We've all stared at the banking app wondering where the grocery money and daycare fees actually went. What if we stopped guessing and started building a simple financial runway for our kids instead? Tip number 1 starts with brutal honesty about your actual numbers for 2026. Stop estimating and track every single purchase for 2 weeks, from morning coffee to after-school snacks. Real data shows us exactly where the leaks are so we can patch them before they drain us. Tip number 2 is giving every single dollar a specific job before the month begins. This means budgeting down to zero, so your savings and debt payments get paid first. When every dollar has a destination, you stop wondering where the money went and start watching it grow. Tip number 3 locks in clear financial goals that actually excite your whole family. Write down what you are saving for, whether it's a college fund or a family vacation. Goals act as your compass when life throws curveballs like car repairs or sudden medical bills. Tip number 4 forces us to separate essential needs from simple wants. Rent, utilities, and healthy groceries are needs, while premium streaming and fancy takeout are wants. Naming the difference helps us pause before impulse buys and redirect that cash toward our kids' future. Tip number 5 tackles those sneaky, irregular expenses that wreck our monthly plans. Things like birthday gifts, car registration, and winter coats don't hit on the first of the month. We handle them by setting up a separate sinking fund and contributing a few dollars every payday. Tip number 6 builds a small emergency buffer so surprises don't become full-blown crises. Aim for a quick $300 to $600 stash in a separate savings account. This buffer turns unexpected events into minor inconveniences instead of panic-inducing debt spirals. Tip number 7 is about cutting the credit card leash and attacking high-interest debt. Every dollar that used to feed the bank now stays in our family's pocket. Focus on the highest interest balances first, because debt freedom is the ultimate gift to our children. Tip number 8 looks at our monthly utility bills and finds easy energy savings. Switching to off-peak appliance hours and unplugging idle electronics can quietly shave dollars off the electric bill. Small efficiency tweaks add up to real cash that can go straight into the college jar. Tip number 9 encourages us to try simple DIY fixes before calling in expensive professionals. A quick online tutorial can teach you to unclog a drain or patch a drywall hole in minutes. Mastering basic home maintenance keeps more money in our budget and teaches our kids valuable life skills. Tip number 10 reminds us that a budget is a living document, not a set-it-and-forget-it chore. Review your numbers monthly, adjust for raises or new expenses, and keep the plan aligned with your family's dreams. Consistent reviews turn a simple spreadsheet into a powerful generational wealth engine. We just walked through 10 practical steps to take back control of your household finances. You don't need a massive income to build security. You just need a clear plan and steady action. Start with one tip tonight, track your spending, and watch the stress melt away. Subscribe for more no-nonsense money strategies designed for real families navigating real budgets. Drop a comment below telling us which tip you are trying first this week. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, and we are running it together. Like and subscribe for more practical family finance. Comment below if you have feedback or questions for me. Thank you.